We are in a neighborhood of tiny homes in Orlando on the lake. I'm impressed with the size of the tiny home though. I really was not expecting the tiny home to be this spacious. Honestly, I feel like I have a nice size apartment. I feel comfortable. I'm able to go from room to room to room. And I feel very comfortable. So when I got here, I'm thinking, okay, everything is one room. You have, a door to close off the bathroom. But you also have enough space for 6 people here. So, I was curious, like, how much space could be possible for 6 people to live in? But when I got here, I was like, okay, I get it. I could spend a weekend here. I could maybe spend a month here. If rent was $300 to stay in a tiny home, I'd stay in a tiny home for 3 months. For 3 months, I do 3 months. I can't do no more than 3 months. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Who do I think should come out here? I think everybody should come out here. If you want to bring your significant other and come have a romantic weekend, you should come out here. If you want to bring your kids and just get them out the house for a little while, you should come out here. If you want to come down here for a weekend and you want to go to Universal Studios, you can stay here. You don't have to stay at a villa. You don't have to do that. Rather than having a pool outside that's crowded with 1,006 people and their kids, just come out here. Come out to the lake. It's all included. Except, okay, you can also rent a pontoon as well. That's not included. You can also rent a john boat too. So say you want to go fishing. Fishing rods are included. Kayaks are included. And canoes are included. So say you do want to go fishing and you want to take out the john boat. All you got to do is rent it. It's $40 an hour or $120 for the day. I really can't believe it's people out here kayaking in the rain, man. I got the lure caught in these alligator infested waters. I'm gonna get that hole out.